Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to save transparent background in Photoshop. Here we see original background. Now we remove the background. Then go to choose quick selection tool from the toolbar. We select the subject. Choose lasso tool and Alt key decrease selection. Go to select menu, then choose modify to feather. Click on the max icon. Here we see remove background. Go to file, then choose save as and choose PNG. After save complete, we check this image. Go to file and choose open and load your image. Here we see transparent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.